Gavana Simba Arati ebokwete asengenje yemu obokorera imbo yase ward yane chipara chiane chikwete wana chibekira asomorobeli bwe budget abantu bane nkongita bali abantu bane nkonda amabali ngitimbu ati chibe yasango korera magendera once na bekire budget is the responsibility yomo governor go implement the budget igonga bwamate bwane no governor ole ko Simba Arati tiboyo asebono higa ukombangira buna kuri bakombangira no musani oye cyakubonga baminyoki asama kuri tingotama ayabanga chionjole ekera bakumera bangite ane to make sure abantu gende moyo ba make sure bangite completely
amangana yamagendero inche buno mweshimiwa nyacheke ward umugabano ito Simba Arati agacha nyacheke December 2023 akalaunch chipara no launch chipara cha wasi akagenda na Bogetaulio akagenda na Summit. As we speak today, we have a few days to December. No single road that has been completed, and we are now asking for the implementation of new projects for this financial year. So what are you telling us? All that we are asking is implementation of development projects to get a budget. In two, we are representatives of the people. We do not implement. We represent our people. We take the project agenda as a budget and we expect a governor and the executive to implement those projects in totality. Implemented. We have no war. We have no grudge. Tell me, onyo mugabo no chiro rechi chipara mna nyacheki chipara cha ekorosu parate yo ara osiru no neyem na ndaira na banyacheki na ndaba tebinga bono it's another December na bale tere Christmas. It can't work. We are not fighting anybody. We are asking for development. Nekero kubuli bugabana no manyetege ntoko chokora. If you are not able to execute, if you are not able to fulfill the promises that you gave to the people, kindly resign down the tools so that abantu batuara another opportunity yogo chora another leader.
Oyo konya kurwani mu women rep. Onya gatagete keroke mu women rep tigatige ke gabwate aje to mu women rep to sugumu mu women rep nera mu mugabana. Igo.
Era toke ngunda abuyange to genda bundali okoba chinkuma chiachirenga nari kichipura. Andake chiyo bugabana. Biroge bitobwata tibiri byonde. Undi bwensi nabakuboliye kura no nyankuru ward yane. Ono bugabana ubundi bwensi nabakubona ono president boyko. Te vaisa go ikiranga twachakire ko bwairana asama tanga ngasenginjo ndaliko tenga etengo ayogo tenga
bono ntegete kubuli abashimiwa baminto. Even if we don't subscribe to the same political ideologies tigato sikane na ende lichiko ligo twalao kiro muntu nabwato bosibuli bwo gotarandons na gukwana kende gyons as long as gitari gento gyo salio